Hello, pre-algebra students. We are now going to jump and look at powers of quotients. So we just got done talking about powers of powers, and now we're looking at quotients, which all of quotient is really division. So just like we did last time, the first thing we want to do is simplify what's inside our parentheses. So we're going to do 4 to the 6th. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fours over 4, right? 4 to the 6 makes 6 copies. We cancel out what we have. So now we are left with 4 to the 5th to the 5th. So what we're going to do is we're going to make 5 copies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 copies of 4 to the 5th. And we're going to add up how many 4s we have. So here we have 5 4s. Here we have 5 4s. Here we have 5. Here we have 5. Here we have 5. So we add up all of the 4s. We're going to end up with 4 to the 24th. And if we wanted to, we could obviously write out 4 times 4 times 4, 5 times, 5 times, 5 times. But I want you to envision that, okay, this 4 to the 5th really means I have 5 4s. So what we end up doing is add up how many 4s we have on each one, which gives us 25. For the next one, 3 to the 7th. So I'm going to put 7 3s down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to put 3 3s down. So what's left, I cross off one too many. So this one and this one. So I'm left with 3 to the 4th squared. So now I'm with 3 to the 4th squared, I'm going to make 2 copies of 3 to the 4th. Right? So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So in total, I'm going to end up with 8 3s. So my final answer is going to be 3 to the 8th power. Okay, for the next one, again, I'm going to start off by simplifying that 8 to the 5th over 8 squared. So I'm going to put 5 8s, and I'm going to put 2 8s on the bottom. I'm going to cancel those out. So I'm left with 8 to the 3rd which is going to be 8 to the 3rd times 8 to the 3rd times 8 to the 3rd. So I get 3 8s from the first one, 3 8s from the second one, 3 8s from the third one. So in total, I have 9 8s. So it's going to turn into be 8 to the 9th. Okay, last one, I have 10 to the 8th over 10 squared. So I'm going to put 8 10s on top. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to put 2 10s on bottom and cancel out what I can. So I'm left with 10 to the 6th to the 4th. Now I'm going to make 4 copies of that. So it'll be 10 to the 6th times 10 to the 6th times 10 to the 6th times 10 to the 6th. So in each one of these 10s represents actually 6 10s. So I have 6 plus 6, which is 12, plus 6 more, which is 18, plus 6 more, which is 24. So my final answer is going to be 10 to the 24th. Okay, so at this time I would like you to take a break. I'd like you to do the last 4 examples on your own, and then come back and watch the third video here to check your work before you move on to check for understanding. So again, stop this video, do the next 4 on your own, and then go ahead and watch the next one to check your work.